Today, I'll talk about this keyword in JavaScript. In JavaScript, this keyword refers to an object depending on how it is used. This is not a variable, it is a keyword. This keyword derives its value from its owner. When this keyword used alone in the console log, it typically displays the window in the output, reflecting the object as the window. We can check this by just adding == and window. It returns true. This refers to the global object, which is usually a window. Now, let's explore what happens when we use this keyword in a function. Let's name it testing, and inside it use the console log with this. Let's call this testing function. In this case, since there's no owner specified, this is getting value from the owner who is the owner. Here window is the owner. Now, let's check the results of both in strict mode. To enable strict mode, at the top right use strict in double quotes. In strict mode, you'll notice that the result of using this keyword alone is window. But this keyword in the function returns undefined. Now, remove the strict mode. Next, let's create an object, denoted as myObject. Within this object, we'll define two properties. First name, set to James. And the second one is age, set to 23. We'll then create a function, its name is testing. Inside the function I will use console.log, in the parentheses use this keyword. Let's comment out the above code. If we invoke the testing function using myObject.testing, don't forget parentheses. You have noticed that it returns the entire object. This outcome is due to the object being the owner of this in this context. When we use this keyword in the console log or a function, it shows window in the output because window is the owner of this keyword. However, if you use it in an object, it will display the same object in the output. We can use this to access other properties and methods from the same object. If I want to access the first name, in the function with this keyword write the first name. We got James in the console. I can also use the object name in the place of this keyword, it will work the same. Now, it is clear that this is the keyword that refers to an object that is executing the current piece of code. I want to show you one more thing, that this keyword doesn't work the same way for arrow functions. If I use an arrow function instead of a regular function, it shows a window in the console. If you find it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates on future videos.